Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on POCO X5 Pro. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store, inside find Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Then we can begin the setup. So sign in to turn on synchronization with other Edge browsers, but I'm gonna go with sign in later. Accept or disagree with the data sharing preference and move on. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and here you should be able to browse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.